Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the shelf front trim on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll open the refrigerator up. We're going to remove any items that are on that glass shelf, as well as any items that are in the tray. Then we'll lift the whole shelf and tray assembly completely out of the refrigerator. We'll set that on a work surface where we can change it apart. Now with the whole assembly sitting on a work surface, to be able to remove that meat tray, the stops for it won't allow it to slide completely out, so we'll need to take the two tracks off. Now they're just held in place with a single screw on either end. We'll probably get away with just taking the center one off. So loosen the screw, and we'll push that rail away from the metal clip, pull it sideways, disengage it from the front. Now with the center rail out of the way, we can probably slide that tray completely away from the outside rail and just set that aside. Now we'll flip the shelf over, and we'll take that front trim and we're just going to roll it straight down. Now we'll disengage it from the glass, and then you can pry it off of the metal frame. Now if you wish, just take that glass, pull it slightly forward to disengage from the back trim, set the glass aside, and then pop the old trim off. Discard the old one. Now we'll take the new trim, make sure we have it lined up properly. And then we're simply going to force that metal bar into that channel. We'll start with either end. Now once we've snapped that front trim in place, just verify that that metal frame is seated completely into that U-shaped channel. That will allow the trim to rotate easily. Now next we'll take the glass and set that back in place. And we're going to first of all engage it in the back trim. Center it side to side, and then while supporting that rear trim, make sure that we press that glass till it seats firmly into it. And verify that we have it centered. And then we're next going to rotate that front trim so that the long edge captures the edge of this glass. It should just roll into place. Now next we'll lay it face down again. Now with it laying upside down, we'll now install the center track. You note that there's a slotted end and an end that will accept a screw. The slotted end will go towards the front. Just fit it over that metal tab. Reinstall the screw at the back. And just support that center rail to hold it upright. Now we can reinstall our meat pan. Simply slide it through from the front while supporting the rear of the shelf. push it firmly back. We can now turn the whole assembly upright, and we're ready to put it back in the refrigerator. Now we'll simply slide that shelf back in place. Put any items back on the glass shelf. We can close the refrigerator up, and your repair is complete.